Okay, welcome back to another Dynodaze video of a smart ForFour Brabus. This has got the 4G15 turbo engine in, the one that we're used to from the Mitsubishi Colts. Today we'll be tuning it on Ecotech software. So initially, power run, see where we're at, see what sort of power she's got. Install the Ecotech software and then start tuning. Right, Richard's got the AFR sensor in. Let's get cracking. It's at that point in the video that we talk about oil. 4G15 turbo engine from the smart ForFour Brabus. Our personal choice is 5W40 fully synthetic. Now I'm mostly using Molygen because it's awesome stuff. And if you want to use the same oil, or in fact any oil of your choice, you can go to worldoflubricant.co.uk and use the code Dyno at the checkout to save a load of money. What's not to like about that? So worldoflubricant.co.uk and use the code Dyno. Okay, this Brabus is actually only making 6.9 PSI peak, which is unusual, and the power figure is low at 156 brake horsepower. Let's see what Richard says. Okay, so during the first power runs, we could audibly hear what I thought was a manifold leak. Looking at the data on the computer, we can see that it's not running as much boost as it should be, and it is down on power. So let's get our Richard to explain exactly what he thinks the issue is. Okay, Richard, so we've stopped play. Explain.
Yes, I think to explain, I think that this has had a manifold replaced on it. I mean, I'm only guessing here because I'm just looking at what we've got. The front studs obviously broken, so they've drilled it out and put a nut and bolt in there, which in itself is not a major problem. But what they've used is they've used a cheap aftermarket gasket. So the way I always describe them is they're like a foil top and bottom with like almost like a brown paste, like a grey paste in the middle.
Bit of Kit Kat wrapper.
Yeah, a bit of Kit Kat wrapper. And what happens is it gets hot, which obviously these manifolds do. It melts that centre section, and obviously the manifold's loose, and you've got a big blow. So that's exactly what we've got going on here. It's down on power from where it should be. It should be about 175.
Yeah,
it's running about 155. Running about 7 PSI boost, which obviously, as we push on, will get worse, and obviously we won't make any gains. So what we've made the conscious decision to do is to stop what we're doing. Effectively, this has sort of failed the health check at this point, is the way I would describe it. Do an initial power run, did make power. We started looking to see what was going on, saw the blow, and obviously that's put pay to it. Obviously called the lad and had a chat with him.
Now, realistically, these manifolds have seen better days anyway, so it might be worth this customer investing in a Jap Speed manifold, some genuine Mitsubishi gaskets, and going again.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we spoke to Soaps who said if the manifold's coming off, it'd be nice to replace it. Put new gaskets in, fit a 3-port, and then we've got all the control.
3-port boost solenoid.
3-port boost solenoid, and then we've got sort of all the control that we could ever wish for. So I believe that's what he's going to do. It just may be budget dependent, and I'm sure we'll see him again.
Fantastic. Okay, well, there we go. Unfortunately, this car has failed its health check, but that's what we're about at Dynodaze. We're not going to map unhealthy cars. We want the best out of them. And this bit of advice hopefully will be taken, and we'll see this young man again.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.